Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you on behalf of CAHO, Consortium of Accredited Organizations. Today, I am Dr. Ramesh Babu. I am the organizing chairman for this series. The year was 2013 and accreditation had just started. It was about 6 or 7 years old in India. Hospitals accreditation. People didn't know about quality, but we are talking about accreditation at that time. And there are a lot of hospitals which were not even knowing the basics of quality or accreditation. And it was thought that only few hospitals could do accreditation. Many hospitals were blinking on what to do next. At that time, some of the quality professionals, the high-end professionals in quality in healthcare, they all met together and they decided that there should be some organization where people should be knowing about what is quality in healthcare, because till that time quality in healthcare was an unknown word, was an alien word, and only after accreditation started people thought about quality, and then but they didn't know about quality. So the giants in the industry like Dr. Girdhar Gyani, Dr. Vijay Agarwal, and Dr. Alexander Thomas, and quite a few of them met together, and then they thought that there should be an organization where people should be made to know about what is healthcare quality. And that was the day CAHO was born, Consortium of Accredited Healthcare Organizations, 2013. And after that, 7 years have passed and CAHO never looked back. And that is the greatness of CAHO today. Today, it is one of the greatest organizations in our country regarding healthcare quality. And we are talking about quality at each and nook and corner of the India. Smaller and bigger hospitals, corporate and individual owned hospitals are all talking about quality and talking about healthcare. So CAHO has led the way for that, and it is still making a lot of strides in the healthcare quality point of view. Now it has got three major wings. The one is the healthcare institutions. Second one is the diagnostic centers, and third one is the quality professionals wing. The quality professionals wing is a combination of all the professionals working in healthcare quality, and for them they have started a new initiative called the Continuing Quality Education Program, CQE. Like in medical colleges, we had talked, in hospitals we talk about CME, Continuing Medical Education. Similarly, the quality professionals started the Continuing Quality Education Program, and there was a series of programs. Every last Saturday of the month, they have been doing this program, and many such programs have already been conducted, like hospital healthcare quality, like then human resources in healthcare, so many other programs. And this is the sixth program of its kind. And today we are talking about medical legal issues and clinical practice. Medical legal issues, see, very important. It's a combination of medicine and law. Medical legal, it is broadly divided into two types: medical law and medical jurisprudence. Medical law is the legal implications of practicing medicine, and medical jurisprudence is the medical law, applying of medical knowledge to legal problems. So these two are the broader divisions of medical legal, and today we have got an array of luminaries in the field of medical legal, both lawyers as well as doctors, who will speak about the medical legal issues. And we have eminent lawyers like Mr. Sanjay Pinto, Professor Nandimat, Mr. Siddharth, and Mr. Rajasekhar Rao. They are all practicing lawyers in the field of, particularly in the field of medical legal issues. And we have eminent doctors like Dr. Ravindran Jayasoti, Dr. Jaydev, Dr. Ravi Shankar, and Dr. Suganti Iyer, who are doctors and who will be speaking about the medical legal problems, what doctors are facing and how to solve all of them. And we have got an expert team which will be doing all these things, and they've got vast area of the subject like medical negligence, consent, advanced medical directives, medical legal issues, and all such things. So today, for the next 3 or 4 hours, we will be listening to all these medical legal luminaries about medical legal issues. So thank you.